Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna be doing another upload because I have my upload scheduled for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's our watch warning advisory display. So one thing I wanted to take a look at is this Montana snowstorm. It says for Nehart, something like that, Lewistown. So Nehart 36 plus inches, which is 3 feet or more, and then Lewistown up to 2 feet possible, and then some in here like lodge grass. Sorry if my voice is a little scratchy. A lodge grass and lame deer. Lame deer could see up to half a foot, and lodge grass could see up to a foot. So that's something I wanted to take a look at. But overall, there is a red flag warning out for portions of California. And also, there's freeze watches up for areas in California here. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing, and that's the radar. A lot of stuff going on up here. A lot of precipitation. Oops. A lot of precipitation up in these areas. Not too much anywhere else really though, other than, like the lake effect snow and some northeastern snow up here. So not too much going on other than that. And then let's see, the next thing I want to look at. Let's see if there we go, I finally got it. 6 to 10 day temperature. The northwest below average, southwest below average, and then the east generally below average. Now you can see some warm air trying to start up. We just have to see what they say about this in their 8 to 10 day outlooks. Let me see if I can pull up the 8 to 10 day outlooks here real quick. Excuse me, the 8 to 14 day. So what they're showing is really cold for everywhere, coast to coast. So from west coast to east coast, cold. The main areas I have highest confidence in is in those areas. And that's what I think it's going to be. That's what they think it's going to be. So it looks like there's some areas of lower confidence in here, like in Nevada and California and the southeast coast. So those areas they have a bit lower confidence in. But also the parts of the northeast here in Maine. And so that's what you can expect. They do expect above average precipitation, so some storm systems coming through here and dumping some rain or maybe snowfall. I don't know at this point. I haven't seen anything popping up on the weather models so far, and that's why we're not going to be going over them today. Anyway, here's the hazardous weather outlook. This, by the way, I should make a note. The 6 to 10 day is January 16th through the 20th, and the 8 to 14 day is January 18th through the 24th. Anyway, back here, this is hazardous cold in areas like Minnesota and portions of the Great Plains, and also portions of the Great Lakes region. Cold extending all the way down to the southeast coast. However, the difference between these is this is expected around the time frame of the 13th to the 14th. And then the cold down here is expected the 14th to the 16th. And then the cold in the southeast coast is expected the 15th and the 16th. So it's mainly timing difference, and that's why they're kind of separated there. Heavy snow for areas along Lake Erie and Lake Ontario's coast. Areas like Buffalo is just outside of this. Looks like Erie. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that one. But up here, Watertown and Fort Drum are included in this, and that also extends back down near Syracuse, New York. So those areas, and there's also a high wind from the 13th to the 15th of this month. The Weather Prediction Center showing their latest graphs. Mixed precipitation and some freezing rain possible over in portions of the plains, as well as some of the Rocky Mountains to the west and portions of the western plains. Northwest coast, some mixed precipitation, and all right on the coast, rain. Same thing with Florida, rain. No mixed precipitation in Florida, but it's just rain in Florida. So out in the Appalachians, the Atlantic coast, like areas like New York City included in this. Looks like maybe Boston, and even Buffalo included in this. Some snowfall, and then up for the, like we looked at earlier, Montana, heavy snowfall, as well as areas in northern Wyoming and southern Idaho. Also areas in central northern Idaho. This snowfall can extend as far down as mountainous areas in New Mexico. And even into southern Canada there. So anyway, like I said, this video is going to be a little bit shorter because there's nothing really popping up on the weather model, so we're not going to be going over those. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, you should check out EpicPen. You can get the free version or EpicPen Pro for only $2 a month. You can get on-screen text, more colors, and you can also get whiteboard and blackboard. So also you can get fading ink for only $2 a month. So thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time.